Welcome back to Tofu Tuesday. I made the New Year's resolution for 2021 to start doing more cooking, to learn how to cook with my feet, and that includes baking as well. So today we are in for a treat, and I'm going to be showing you how I bake with my toes and feet, because obviously I was born without arms, and again, the whole message, if I can do it, you can do it too. So let me go ahead and turn on the oven to 350 to get started, because that's going to take some time to warm up. Okay, here we go. I'm in a rental house, so there it goes, 350. So I'm not too familiar with the kitchen, but anyway, I need to press start. That would probably help. Like I said, I'm in a rental house, so for me, figuring out the oven and everything it's a little more challenging. We're down to, well, we have 6 minutes for that to heat up, and I'm going to wash my feet because my feet have to be clean for this. What's great about today is I'm going to be baking a cake, and today is my birthday. I know it sounds strange to be baking a cake for myself, but it's not just my birthday, it's around the same time when my mom has her birthday. So her birthday was on the 28th, and mine is today, the 2nd. It's not today for me because I'm pre-recording this, but anyway, the 2nd is my birthday, Groundhog's Day. So by now you all probably should know what's the story with the groundhog. And anyway, so let's get started here. It says here, set oven to 350. This is going to be the easy way about going with the, we're going to be doing this out of a box. So Funfetti Cake, and it says to start with oven 350, coat bottom of pan with no stick. So let me go ahead and open this up here first. Let's go ahead and open this. Boxes are always easier to open than plastic, but plastic containers. But let me see if I'm gonna get a hold of it. Oh, I don't want to block your view there. So open this Funfetti cake mix box, and look at that. Great. Okay, next will be, here comes Chewy. He's ready to help. Anytime he hears any kind of plastic opening or box opening, he's always here right away. Okay, so coat bottom of pan with no stick, cooking spray or shortening, and a flour dusting. So I'm going to go ahead and just skip that part. We'll go with the ham butter. We're going to spray the bottom of our little cooking pan here, which we are going to use this. And it's going to make it a super tall cake, but that'll be fine. Move this out of the way. And I figured out a way to do this. This is my unique little pan spraying method, and that's essentially to use the edge of this counter and spray like this. Making sure I get all the sides as well, because we don't want to stick to the sides. Okay, we are good there. Okay, woo, maybe I did that wrong. It smells very strong in here. Anyway, it's done. Coat bottom pan with a no-stick cooking spray, and then beat cake mix. So let me set this aside over here for a little bit, create some space for myself. Being in a rental kitchen, we have to make do with what we have, but that's because our kitchen will be new and improved here in a couple weeks. So using this rental kitchen is a little harder. It has a galley-style kitchen versus that big island that I sat on in my home kitchen, but I'm excited about the improvements. Let me go ahead, and it says here, beat the cake mix, the water. Well, this is going to be the challenge of opening this up. I might need some scissors for that. If you're wondering, I do have a special pair of scissors that I used as a kid, and they had a little spring in it, so it kind of like, let's see, maybe, there we go. We'll just use these scissors for now. And thank you, Pat. I'll go ahead and, okay, I'm going to pass that back over to you. Here we go. Throw that in there. This is going to smell great. Okay.
I know this is the part where I start getting hungry.
I know. Yes. Oh, Chewy is patiently waiting down there. He's like, what is this? He hasn't smelled this before. Okay. let me go ahead and put this all in the sink just temporarily, and then I'll throw it away later. So it says the cake mix, water. We need to have 1 cup of water. Here we are. We have 1 cup here. I guess we'll go ahead and just use the tap water. That should be fine. Measuring, that's half a cup there, so full cup is all the way to the brim. 1 cup of water. Okay. 1 cup of water. And it says here, half a cup of oil. Looks like we have just enough oil for the cake. Here we go. It was always fun growing up sharing a birthday with my mom. She was always the type of person, though, that really didn't allow the attention to. Basically, she didn't want the attention, so she never really made a big deal about it being so close to my birthday. But I do have wonderful memories of celebrating her birthday, and then she always did a wonderful way. She had a wonderful way of celebrating, making sure that I felt good on my birthday. I wonder
what have a new birthday buddy by the time this is released.
Oh yes, so here we go. Half a cup of oil. We actually have a very great news in the family that my sister-in-law, Patrick's sister, is being induced. Well, basically, she was induced. She would February 1st, and we'll see. So it might be a birthday twin in the family. Okay, half a cup of oil. Now it says here 3 eggs, 3 whole eggs, and put this all in a bowl with mixer on medium. That means the oven is ready, so I better speed this up. And so I'm gonna have to beat that with we don't have a mixer because we are in a rental kitchen, so I'm gonna use this instead. So let me grab the 3. I gotta hurry here. We don't want that oven. Go ahead and let me get the 3 eggs. Oh boy. Okay, I hope I don't get any of the shells in that mix, so I'm going to go ahead and crack the egg in the cup and then put it into the mixing bowl just in case I need to fish out a shell or something. Okay, great. Here we go. Use this edge of this. Okay, wish me luck. Okay, there's a nice crack. Ooh, that was a lot easier than I thought. Okay, I'm going to throw that into the sink temporarily. And 1. Oh wait, well, let me go ahead and pour this in here. Yeah, let's do that. That'll make it easier. 1 egg, 2 more. I'm still trying to figure out what I'm going to do for the rest of my birthday. Patrick was so special to take me up on a flight early this morning. He just got his pilot's license, so now 2 pilots in the family. Wow, that is pretty tough. Okay, here we go. Hey, there we go. I think we have a little bit of a crack. That one's not going to be as easy. I could just tell right now. Okay, let's see. Oh, there it goes. Okay, let's see. Okay, there's the 2nd egg. Okay, put that in there. And the 3rd egg. One of the things I do love to do on birthdays is go in to get all the free stuff I possibly can. A free Starbucks drink, a free bundt cake from Nothing Bundt Cakes, free stuff from Aveda, and let's see where else I can go for free stuff. Oh yeah, I know Denny's has like a free Grand Slam. It's either Denny's or IHOP has a free breakfast on your birthday. That's always fun to go to.
Car wash. Oh
yeah, there's Simon Ice Car Wash. When that was around, I used to go there all the time for a free car wash on my birthday. Okay, 3rd egg. Now let me go start stirring that. Well, let me rinse my toes first because you're kind of slimy from the egg white. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, now I'll start stirring this. Here's the thing, I don't have a beater because we're here not at our house. So it just says beat cake mix, water, oil, and eggs in bowl for 2 minutes. So I'm going to just try this best I can to get this to be smooth. And
Yeah, our mixer is buried underneath the piano, underneath some protective stuff, and unreachable right now. Otherwise, you'd be using that.
That's true. Okay.
You're doing good. Try rotating the bowl. You might get some of the stuff that's down in the bottom.
That is a possibility as well. I never thought of that. Okay. As you can all tell, the cook in the family is Patrick. So he's the one who's really inspired to help me out with this, knowing that I'll be able to learn how to cook some and do some more baking and cooking and possibly have some guests over when the pandemic is over with and invite them over for dinner and maybe cook some special dishes. On birthdays, one of the really traditional famous dishes is called pancit, and that's a Filipino dish, and the long noodles that is in pancit represent long life. So that's something I would have every single birthday. And that brings back fond memories whenever I have pancit. It's a birthday celebration dish. Okay, ooh, that's coming together really good, considering I don't have a mixer. Okay.
Keep it going. Make sure you get the stuff all down on the bottom.
Yeah, and the sides too. That's the thing, the sides.
We gotta find one of those stirrers with a flat handle for you.
Oh, that would be nice.
I'm not sure they make one, but we'll have to see if we can find it.
Ooh, I missed a chunk of cake batter there, so it's a good thing I'm doing this. Should mix as well. I'm going to ask for one extra hand in the kitchen. Patrick, would you please just do a good mix of that, because I realize I just got a cramp in my thigh. It is kind of a workout, because as it thickens, it's harder to mix that. So Patrick's going to make sure that all blends together really well. And then we're going to put it here, put the batter into a pan. We have the pan here prepared. Make sure that that's all spread around. Evidently it went to one spot after I sprayed it, so I can make sure that all of that, you can all see there, is spread around this pan. Okay, are we good? That looks good. It looks very colorful. It looks very funfetti-like. I'm going to go ahead and pour it here into this thing. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm going to do that. Well, let's see. I need to move this out of the way. This is a pretty heavy bowl. So I know I'm going to want to, or maybe Chew's going to want to try a little bit of this cake batter. I don't know. That's not going to be good for him, though. Okay, I'll just put this in the cup for now. Go ahead and put this in. I don't know what it is about funfetti cakes, but I just love funfetti cakes. Here we go. Okay.
What was your mom's favorite cake?
Oh, my mom loved pineapple. And I don't know what it is about pineapple, but of course it's because it reminds her of the tropics, being in the Philippines, and all the tropical fruits like pineapple, mangoes, coconuts. My mom would tell me this story about how when she was a kid, she could actually climb up a coconut tree. And I'm just in disbelief when she told me that story. I was like, I couldn't believe she could do that. But that was common for kids growing up in the Philippines. Okay, let me go ahead and scoop the rest of this out using a spoon. Patrick, do you mind grabbing me a spoon?
You can use the mixer.
Oh yeah, but the mixer's not going to grab it all. Well, anyway, got a little bit spilled on the edge there. But let me go ahead and use the mixer then. So yeah, so this is going to be a fun cake to celebrate. Though my mom has passed away, I still go and visit her on her birthday. So, and I'm sure she's still with us in a way. It does make it kind of hard to remember on her birthday that she's not here with us. But I'm sure she visits on occasion. Okay, I think that's as much as of that cake batter I'm going to pull out of there. Yeah, close enough. Now, I'm going to put this in the sink and probably go ahead and put this in the oven now because the oven is ready. So, put that there. We have a little bit on the side, but that's okay. That's fine. Rinse my toes really. quickly, I cannot stand having slimy toes, sticky toes, anything on my toes because I don't know, it's just one of those things. So I have to always my toes get really dried out too from washing them constantly. So every single night I basically have to put them in these little mittens or socks, I should say, and put some softening cream on my feet because I wash them so often that they get dried out, especially in the winter time too. So anyway, it is one of the colder days here in Arizona, by the way. We are at, what, 30-something degrees?
And it's going to be 27 degrees tonight, which is cold for Arizona. I'm sure somebody from like Minnesota is rolling their eyes at us.
I know, but there was actually snow in Arizona. I mean, what are the chances of that? That is a very rare occurrence. We woke up to snow on the mountains. It was beautiful. Okay.
You got it?
Now, I'm trying to think if I'm going to put this on.
You can open the oven.
Uh-huh. Let's see if I put it on that top section.
Sit on your chair and...
No, I'm going to do this all one-legged.
Okay.
I know. I think that's just going to be easier. Chewy, back up a little there. I don't want to burn you. Oh, I don't want you to get burnt in there. Okay.
Open the door more.
No. I don't want to lose all the heat. There we go. Ooh, we could have lost some of the cake batter there, but here we go. In the oven, it is now 4:49, so we will give it, how long? It says, we are, depending on what's the pan size. So we'll be right back with you when the cake is ready. But that was pretty simple for that Funfetti cake. Thanks for watching. Oh, wow. So that is a lovely surprise. I baked the cake, but since it was my birthday, Patrick was nice enough to decorate it. And look at that, my favorite color, blue. Thanks, Pat. That looks great. That is good handwriting. And a pink, blue, and white candle. Ooh. And that one's a little bit... Oh, wait. That's like a different candle.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Wait for it. Think of your wish.
Okay. I'm thinking about it. Looks like it's burning down to the...
Ooh. I think I'm supposed to twist.
That is so cute.
Blow it out when you're ready.
Okay. One more time, because it just sounds so cool.
Yay!
Wow! That is so cute. I don't think
Happy
I've had...
birthday!
Thank you. I've never seen a candle like that.
Never had a candle sing happy birthday for you?
Nope. And look, Chewy's over here too, wondering what's going on. It's Chewy's first birthday party to be a part of. Thank you. That's great.
You're welcome.
And thanks for joining me on this episode of Tofu Tuesdays. See you next time.